Next we start the semiconductor diode laser, gallium arsenic laser. Semi means half, conductor means in that valence band and covalence band are overlapped to each other. Then diode having the two terminals, another one is positive terminals and negative terminals, but current is flowing throughout only one direction, that is known as the diode. And laser is a familiar with us, that is a laser is an monochromatic beam, light amplification, stimulated emission, radiation. For example, gallium arsenic laser. Semiconductor layer was developed by Hall in the year 1962. Principle of this semiconductor is, in semiconductor there will be electrons and holes. When they meet, they release energy, and this process is called as recombination. Here p type and n type are the recombined, so that is known as recombination of electrons and holes. Only direct band gap semiconductor are used for laser due to energy loss in the direct band gap. Means here we applied just only forward bias. Then semiconductor laser are topmost efficient and low cost compared to other laser. The output power ranges from 20 watt to 50 watts. The pumping method used in gallium arsenic laser is highly forward bias. Then here the first basic PN junction laser is called as homogeneous laser. This laser is known as the homogeneous laser. In this homogeneous laser, same semiconductor material is used in the both sides. Here same semiconductor materials are used to both the sides of the junction. Internal surface of the junction are polished to the mirror. This inside the surface, internal surface are polished by the PN junction. Now one side are rough to pretend laser action to the diode cavity. One side is highly polished and another side is highly reflected. The laser will be emitted from the side. The laser beam is emitted from the side. Then moving on energy banded diagram. Here moving on the energy band diagram of PN junction. Here PN junction and N junction, P junction and N junction. PN shall be highly doped of its called as degenerates. In degenerate semiconductor, the Fermi level is below the valence band edges in the p side, and we are at the thermal equilibrium. We will get the same Fermi energy level. In n side, above the condition band edges in the both pn and n region. The area below the Fermi level is fully electrons. This area is fully electrons. We applied the forward bias. When we applied the forward bias, Vf is Fermi level of the will move down and Fermi level of N will move up. The depletion region is narrow. In this diagram here, PN junction depletion region is created. Then as a result, the region D has now high electron concentration. in the conduction band increases. The reason D is high hole concentration in the valence band, and consequently a low electron concept. Hence, here the low electron concept is NEC is greater than NeV. Number of the electrons in conduction band, number of the electrons in valence band. The photons are emitted by recombination in the depletion region is called as the active region. In that, here the three mediums are come. One is the active medium, pumping medium, and resonant cavity. Let us see one by one. The gallium arsenic laser diode is single crystal and consists of highly doped N and P section. In N section is doped with tellurium and P section is with the zinc. The overall size of the diode is very small. The PN junction layer has a width of 1 micrometer. A pair of parallel planes of gallium arsenic crystal are polished. The plane act as a reflecting mirror. In that, there are the two mirrors inside that surface. One is partially reflected, another one is fully reflected. The remaining side of the diode are made rough to avoid the leakage of the laser. The upper side of the diode, upper side and lower side are a metallic surface, because we connected the forward bias. In that, forward bias means PN junction, P is connected to positive term and N is connected to negative term, is known as forward bias, and reverse bias means this is the opposite of forward bias. And one mirror is partially reflected and another mirror is fully reflected. The end of the surface P and N section are provided with electrons to supply forward voltage using voltage across. The P and N in that created the depletion region is called as the active medium. We forward bias here P and N, these two are created here depletion region. When here a positive terminal is connected to positive, the P type, in that P type majority positive charges, majority of the hole, and N type majority of the electrons. The positive charge is forwarded to the P type, then holes are connected to this region, and here negative, in that electrons are present, negative terminal is connected to the N type, then here holes are deflect forward to this region and electrons are forward to this region. Then one electron and one holes are the created, the combined with these two, we get these are the neutralized. One positive and another one is negative charge, there will be neutral. Here in the active medium, in forward bias depletion region, thickness is 0.1 micrometer, means 10⁷ meter. In the N type, holes are majority and P type electrons majority charge. A suitable forward bias voltage is applied to diode to overcome the potential barrier. After the threshold current, the population inversion is created close to junction between the filled conduction band and empty to valence band. The energy band diagram is shown in the figure. EFN and EFP are the Fermi levels in the n-type and p-type respectively. Thus, an active region is formulated in the junction. The active region will be very thin and its order is 1 μm. In this stage, the photons released by spontaneous emission by trigger stimulated emission over the large number of recombination leading the laser radiations of high power. Since the energy gap of gallium arsenic is 1.4 electron volt, the wavelength of the emitted light is lambda is equal to hc divided by EF, that is given by 8862 angstrom. H is a Planck constant, C is a velocity of the light, EF is a Fermi energy. Then application of semiconductor is semiconductor are used to optical fiber communication. These are used to radiating device like ROM and used to compact disc player like CDs. Here we complete the laser topic. Thank you.